All right, we're going to start drawing number 8 on the back page. So it's going to be labeled 3-31 number 8. This little guy right there, and that's where we'll be starting. All right, so we hit new 3-31-8. That's our drawing. Default template check off. Let's make this in millimeters. Oh, hit OK. We're going to draw an L shape, and then we're going to round some corners. So we'll go sketch, sketch view, sketch view. Let's draw that L shape. Maybe the easiest way to draw would be to draw it out here. Let's make this 20. Let's make the thickness then about 5, it looks like. It's probably even thinner than that. It is. Let's make it 3 millimeters. Maybe even 2 millimeters thick. Let's try 2. And that's one part of the L. That one's probably going to be about 30 millimeters long, though. And then there's going to be a box coming down here to complete the L. Drop that down, kind of like this. Let's make this 10, and this one already locked to the same size there, so we should be good. We got to delete a few segments, so we'll go to delete segment tool and get rid of these things in here. There should be 2 lines in there, and I get a yellow box, so that means it's good. Do a default orientation to check out what's happening. Extrude that. Let's do it equal on both sides of the plane. No, I'm not going to do it equal on both sides of the plane because it's going to make it easier for me to draw the next part. So let's make that 10 millimeters thick. And we'll hit the green check. Now we can round off these edges to give us the rounded parts we need. So we'll go around. Click on the edge. I need to make that a lot bigger. Let's make it like 4. That looks good. Rotate it around to the next edge. Click on it. It should put a 4 in there. Click over here. And we'll click right here. And then we're good. Looks like we're good. We'll hit the green check. We got to put a couple holes in here. I'm going to use the hole tool this time. And we're going to put it right on this surface. I have to drag this little green box to something so it knows where to measure from. And I'm going to measure from this edge over here. Once I find the edge, it'll light up. And it puts a hole in there. And since we know exactly what our dimensions are, we're going to put it 4 millimeters in. Which should be, what, half of 10 is 5. That'll put it right in the middle. And everything else is good. We'll hit the green check, and we got a hole in it. Go back to the hole tool. We'll put one on this surface here. Drag my little green marker out to the edge. Find an edge. It doesn't want to find an edge for me. There it is. Drag this one to the front edge. This should be 4 millimeters in. This should be 5 to put it right in the middle. Let's change the dimension to 4 on that. And we're good there. We got 2 holes. I got to check the diameter of this hole. So I'll click on it, hit edit definition. And the diameter is 4.1. Let's change it to 4. And we're good. So we'll do a default orientation to get lined back up. We got to draw that other little doohickey up here. So we'll click on the front plane, sketch, sketch view. That already has me a reference line there. So I should be able to just draw a rectangle here. We'll put it 8 millimeters over from that edge. Looks like it's going to be about 8 millimeters high, we'll call it. I have a rounding tool application I can do in my sketches as well, right here. It's called circular. Create a circular fillet between construction lines. Now it's asking me what 2 entities I want to make a circle between. I want this one and this one, and this one, and this one. And it makes those right on there. Go to the pointer tool. Now I can change the dimensions. Let's call them 1. And we'll call this one 1. And because we can cut out this section here, because the computer will then know that everything around it is what's being cut out. We'll put a circle right in here, right about that size. We'll put it 1.5 up. It should be 1.5 over. Is that what I'm seeing? Oh no, let's make this an even 3. Yep, then it'll work. There we go. We'll put the other circle up on top. It should line up with that. Put a line in here from the midpoint to the midpoint, and the midpoint to the midpoint. We got to delete some segments, get rid of these bottom arcs. Get rid of those, and when I go to my select tool, it turns yellow, so it should be good. We'll hit the green check. We'll extrude that. Looks like it's only going to be about 3 millimeters thick, or probably 2, it looks like. It's about the same thickness as everything else. 2 millimeters. Green check it, and we're done. Save your drawing, and see you later.